Hi, this is Matt from Tradesman Digital Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to toggle the auto apply option for Google Ads. A lot of people don't even know this is on inside Google Ads, and it's kind of a pain in the butt, especially if you're running an account and you don't know why things are switching around. I recommend always turning it off because I personally want to manage the account. I don't want Google managing the account for me. They may have some great ideas and they can recommend it to us in their optimization feature, but I want to be the person to decide that. I don't want Google to do. Uh, I don't want Google to. And if you let Google change all these settings, you don't actually know what's going to be changed because it doesn't always tell you. And it can change, keywords. It can add, more keywords. It can add negatives. You can change bid strategies. You can do a lot of stuff inside your account. It can really mess it up if you're not paying attention. So I always recommend turning this off. And how are we going to turn it off? We're going to hit our all campaigns feature. We're going to hit all campaigns. We're going to hit settings. We're going to hit account settings. And then we're going to scroll down to add suggestions. And as you can see, it's set to apply add suggestions after 14 days. And it says ideal for most advertisers. If you don't know what you're doing, yeah, I can understand this is probably ideal for most advertisers because Google wants to optimize. But we always recommend hitting do not automatically apply ad suggestions. We want to apply them if we choose to do so. We don't want Google to do that because we want to make sure we're managing every aspect of the account. We don't want random keywords popping up, random negative keywords popping up that may or may not be profitable. So we always suggest hitting do not automatically apply ad suggestions, and we hit save. And now we've changed the auto apply feature to off, which is what we normally recommend for Google Ads. This is just a quick little tutorial. A lot of people don't know that's actually a thing inside Google Ads, so I just thought I would show you. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comments section down below. I'd be happy to answer them. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day and take care.